Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video. I know it's been a good month since I posted up a video. It's been really crazy here the past month. Feels like everything's going back to normal at my job. Overtime. So I work 9-hour days, 5 days a week. On the 6th day, I'm working 5 hours for overtime, so it's a total of 10 hours of overtime. So I figured, yeah, we'll soak up that overtime, and that's why I haven't been making videos. You're looking right there at some maple boards. They came from a lumber mill, and they're all varies of lengths and width. And when I received them, boy, they didn't look that nice. They're like a rough cut. Well, they are a rough cut. So I had my daughter's boyfriend come up with his father's planer. It was a DeWalt. And we planed all those boards. And I tell you what, seeing that planer in action was amazing. Always wanted to get one, but could never afford it. And that would make a lot of things a lot easier for me in the wood building, my little projects here and there, you know, instead of using the belt sander a lot and a palm sander. So with these maple boards, I got a couple projects I want to build. Yeah, that planer, when we planed these, threw out a lot of chips. There's 9 maple boards. And we did it right here on the concrete. And there was a big, huge pile of sawdust, chips, whatever you want, wood chips. So let's take a walk down here. I want to show you where I put them. And I just could not believe how much we took off just by cleaning them up. 5 wheelbarrow fulls. It was amazing. That stuff was flying everywhere. It was all over my car, everywhere. But I enjoyed it. I needed a home to put these in. So right there, I figured throw them in here for now. And when winter comes and goes and springtime comes, I'm going to go ahead and see how much that settled down. And I'm going to probably put dirt or potting soil on top of this and plant some flowers with my daughter. Now, I was really surprised how fast that planer worked. It was amazing on these boards. We're going to walk back here. And I said, boy, I'd love to have a planer. So I finally broke down and got a planer coming in the mail. Long and behold, I just got home from work, and there's a big package sitting right there. I thought, wow, it's here! I finally got a planer. I have never owned a planer in my life. I'm 51 years old, and I figured it was time to help out the old wood shop, you know, the woodworking. So when I come in the house, I saw that on the back porch here. I thought, yes. So to get that big monster off, I had to slide it there and grab my wheelbarrow. And there it is. I start cutting up the plastic already off of it. It is the DeWalt DW735X. The X means extra stuff that comes with it. It comes with out tables, an end table, and an extra set of knives, which is fantastic. It's a 13-inch planer. And this thing is heavy. It says 105 pounds. So yeah, that's why I brought the wheelbarrow over here. Put it in there, wheeled it to the front of the garage. And I have my makeshift table right there waiting for it. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing here real quick. I already cut it open. And this is what you see. You see two little boxes. And they really protected the corners, which I was happy of because I heard horror stories that a lot of people's come broken. Had some broken pieces. And I hope that's not the case here. Let's open up one. Oh, there's a table. Alright, so it comes with one table on this side. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Wow, I didn't know that was going to be that heavy for a table. So we're going to go ahead and sit that right there. Go ahead and come back. Whoa, the wind is strong today. We'll open up the other one. Got the other table here. And these here alone are $64 on eBay, the cheapest I found for a pair of these tables. I did so much research. I tried to find the cheapest seller out there. In eBay was not the case this time. So yeah, I was pretty impressed. It was actually Home Depot. And you're probably thinking, well, why did you order it online? You could have just went to Home Depot. Well, they didn't have it in stock in the store. Unfortunately. We'll set these over here. Because I called everywhere. I even called Erie store. Oh, we don't stock that. So, yeah. So I had to order it online. And so, yeah, here it is. Ooh, the set of blades. There's the set. I think these are genuine, yeah. They look genuine, yes. Knives. Edges are extremely sharp. Yeah, I'll cut myself on them probably. Okay. And there's the instruction manual. I watched so much YouTube on this. You would not believe. Oh, there's that adapter for it. Well, that's nice. Put that right there. Then we got the wheel. Oh, there we go. We got the crank handle thing. I'm gonna set all the. Oh, that's nice aluminum. Everything's nice, stout aluminum, except for this, of course, and this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at all the goodies. I'm going to be missing the RCs because I don't know if I told you yet or not. I did so many takes on this video. Cleaned up the big boy. She's all nice and clean. And I'm going to be putting her up for the winter. Yep, and then I have my battery right there. Actually, right here it is. It's in storage mode. Took 2 hours and 40 minutes to put that baby in storage mode. Alright. So, get back on track here. Oh, smokes. Okay, looks like everything is intact. Well, that's a big, thick piece right there. Look at that. I think I'm going to be needing 2 hands for this. So I'm going to pause you. Wow. Make sure you eat your Wheaties when you pull that baby out. Holy smokes, that was a chore. Wow, is that heavy. And I just took a visual inspection of it, and nothing is broken. I had people had these broken off in shipping. Oh man, and the busted case right here. Thank God that didn't break. Alright, everything looks good. Go around. And the reason why I chose this one is because quite a few reasons. One is with this depth gauge here. Now to activate that, when you put the board in, it lifts up and it goes all the way across. On the other DeWalt's, it's only a little small area right here that activate that gauge. Now what happens if you want to put the board here and you got to put it in here first or whatever, so I figured that'd be a lot better for me to get it to activate all the way across. And another thing I liked about this was this tool right here. Those are two little magnets which you go like this and you take out the blades with. And it's very, very easy to change the blades on this one versus the other ones. All you have are these 4 screws right there and there and here and here. And you got that plastic shroud inside, and that's it. Then you change the blades. I mean, it's that simple. So yeah. And then this here doesn't have that clamping device. It's in the center that you have to push down to lock it into place before you plane a board. That's what these big screws are for. It's not necessary. This is the really, really thought out planer. Yep. There she is. I just can't believe this is in my workshop right now. Like I said, I'm 51 years old, and it's time to get something nice in the workshop, you know what I mean? I do have a stand coming for it. I was surprised that this showed up 2 days early. Hopefully the stand will get here by tomorrow. I thought I was going to get the stand first. I was going to put the stand together. And then this was supposed to show up second. But that's fine with me. It's a beautiful day out here. And I'm glad it's not raining. Oh, it's been raining a little bit here in Pennsylvania. So yeah, that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, I'm really enjoying this right now. Like Christmas Day. But Santa didn't buy this for me, I did. But yeah, there it is. I'll give you the overview right there. Thing is gorgeous. I don't know if there's any plastic on that or not. But yeah, there it is. Now I can't really do much until the stand shows up. It's going to be sitting right there like that. I have to get rid of the cardboard and stuff. I'm glad tomorrow's recycling day. I can put that right out and get rid of it so it's not laying around. Alrighty guys, I hope this was a little bit entertaining. And yeah. Eat your Wheaties before you open this box up. 92 pounds it says. Just for the unit. And then like 5 to 10 pounds for all this stuff here extra. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and I will be talking to you.